Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install Windows 11 from USB completely for free. So let's get started. This is Microsoft website. This will be linked in the description below. And now when you're in this website, this is the latest update 23H2. And then we scroll down on this web page. And here you will see this Create Windows 11 installation media, and click on this download now. You will have three options. You click on this in the middle, this one, Create Windows 11 Media, and then you will have this media creation tool. And then we click on this open file after we downloaded it. And here we're gonna click on yes. And now we can close our browser because we don't need it anymore. After that, this window will pop up when you enter the media creation tool. So just be patient and wait for this to finish. After this, just go here on applicable notices, go click on accept here. And then from here, we're gonna go and click untick this and make sure this edition is on Windows 11. And then here you can check your language. If you want, you can do this and use the recommended options. So I'm gonna use these recommended options if you don't want to change your language. So I'm gonna click on next, and here we're gonna select a USB flash drive. You need at least 8 GB of USB flash drive to be in memory. And now from here we need to insert our USB drive, so I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so after you put the USB, then click on this refresh drive list. As you can see, now my USB appeared, and click on this refresh drive list, and now your USB should be here, and click on next. And we're gonna wait for Windows 11 to download all the files needed. And after the Windows 11 media has downloaded the Windows 11, then this will create Windows 11, and we just have to be patient again and wait for this to finish. After the USB has been finished, we click on finish. And now I'm gonna show you how you can set up the BIOS for USB. So to enter the BIOS, you need to go to Start menu, and then click on this power button, and go to restarting your PC. And after it restarts, it's usually, you see for me it's here, press delete to enter setup. I'm gonna go to, you have to find like something like section like boot, and then you will see like something like boot option. It's not for same PC, it's, you have to see for yourself on your own PC how it's, but it's usually on boot category. And then here on optional, you have to put to be the first one, so USB, this one. So your USB is on priority on number 1, not number 2, number 3, but number 1. So let's make it number 1, and go exit here and save changes and exit, and after that it will boot from USB. After you set up the BIOS, then you should be getting this screen, and click on next and click on install now. And here we're gonna click I don't have product key. If you have, you type it, so I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna click this, and now we're gonna choose which version do you want. I'm gonna go Windows 11 Pro, click next, and here I'm gonna click on this, click on next, and then we're gonna go to custom, install Windows only, advanced, and now here we're gonna create a new drive. Click on new and apply, and click on OK here. So make sure you install on the right partition, otherwise if it's mistaken, this will delete everything from your system. So be careful and make sure this is the right partition for your PC. Click on next, and we're gonna wait for this to finish. And now here we're gonna choose the language that we want and region. We click on yes. If it's the right region. Change the keyboard layout if you need. And I'm gonna skip this. Now here we're gonna go by choice. I'm gonna go for personal use. Next. And then we need to sign in with Microsoft account. So go next, sign in. So now here we need to create a new Microsoft account. If you don't have, click on this. And here just create new account. And that's it. Click on next. And that's it, guys. We're in Windows 11. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you next video. Bye.